Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal but important. Have you ever had that moment where everything seemed right, yet your erection just wasn't as strong as you expected, or it faded sooner than you wanted? It's a moment that can leave you feeling frustrated, disappointed, and questioning your body. Many men quietly carry this experience, wondering if it's just part of getting older or something they simply have to accept. I see this every day in my clinic, and I want you to know something crucial. Struggling with erections does not mean you are broken, and it does not mean you are out of options. As men age, it's common to assume that declining sexual performance is inevitable. Society often reinforces the idea that strength, stamina, and confidence naturally disappear over time. But medically speaking, that assumption is incomplete. Yes, aging brings changes, but the male body is remarkably adaptable. With the right approach, many aspects of sexual function can be strengthened, improved, and even restored. Pills may offer temporary assistance, but they do not address the foundation of erectile health. Today, I want to talk to you about natural, science-backed strategies that work with your body rather than masking symptoms. One of the methods I'll share is rarely discussed, yet it can be transformative when used correctly. Before we dive in, I'd like to ask you to do two quick things. If you care about men's health and want more honest, medically grounded conversations like this, tap the like button. It helps this information reach men who may be silently struggling. And in the comments, tell me where you're watching from today. I truly enjoy seeing how widespread and supportive this community has become. Finally, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my weekly videos on vitality, intimacy, and long-term confidence. Now, let's clear up one of the biggest myths surrounding erections. Many men believe erections are purely about testosterone or mental arousal. While hormones and psychology certainly play a role, they are only part of the story. From a medical standpoint, an erection is primarily a vascular event. Blood must flow efficiently into the penis through healthy arteries. The erectile tissue must expand and trap that blood, and the veins must temporarily restrict outflow to maintain firmness. If any part of this system is compromised, erections suffer, no matter how strong desire may be. This is why focusing only on hormones or medications often leads to disappointment. If blood vessels are stiff, inflamed, or narrowed, blood flow will be limited. If the muscles that support the erectile process are weak, blood escapes too quickly. So instead of thinking only about pills, we need to think about vascular health, muscular strength, and tissue quality. This is where targeted physical therapies become incredibly valuable. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Georgia Bennett. I'm a urologist and men's health specialist, and for more than a decade, I've worked with thousands of men facing concerns around erections, performance, and confidence. What I've observed time and time again is this: when men strengthen the foundation of sexual function rather than chasing quick fixes, everything changes. Confidence improves, anxiety decreases. Men feel more in control of their bodies and more connected to their partners. With that in mind, let's walk through 3 evidence-based approaches you can begin incorporating into your life. The first exercise is pelvic floor training, often referred to as Kegel exercises for men. Despite what many people think, the pelvic floor is not just relevant to women. In men, these muscles play a critical role in erectile strength and control. Anatomically, the pelvic floor muscles wrap around the base of the penis and support the blood vessels responsible for maintaining an erection. When these muscles contract properly, they compress the veins that drain blood away from the penis, helping keep blood trapped inside the erectile tissue. When the pelvic floor is weak, blood leaks out too quickly, leading to softer or shorter-lasting erections. Strengthening these muscles improves firmness and endurance. There's also a psychological benefit. When men feel more control of their erections, performance anxiety decreases, which further supports sexual function. The beauty of pelvic floor training is its simplicity. It requires no equipment and can be done almost anywhere without anyone knowing. To locate your pelvic floor muscles, try stopping the flow of urine briefly the next time you're in the bathroom. The muscles you engage to do that are your pelvic floor muscles. Outside the bathroom, contract those muscles for 5 seconds, then relax for 5 seconds. Aim for 10 repetitions per session, 2 to 3 times per day. Consistency is key. Most men notice improvements within 4 to 6 weeks, including firmer erections, better control, and enhanced sensation. Think of this as strength training for one of the most important muscle groups in your body. The second method is vacuum therapy, commonly known as using a penile pump. I know this topic often comes with skepticism, but I want to be very clear. Vacuum therapy is a medically recognized and clinically recommended treatment in urology. It's frequently used for men with erectile dysfunction and for those recovering from prostate surgery. This is not a gimmick when used properly. Vacuum therapy works by placing a cylinder over the penis and creating gentle negative pressure that draws blood into the erectile tissue. This process expands the tissue, improves oxygen delivery, and helps maintain tissue health over time. A constriction ring may be used temporarily to help maintain the erection during intimacy. From a biological standpoint, regular use can improve vascular responsiveness and support healthier erections. Emotionally, vacuum therapy offers reassurance. Knowing you have a reliable tool can significantly reduce anxiety around intimacy. Practically, most men use a pump for 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week. Safety is important. Using excessive pressure or rushing the process can cause bruising or discomfort. Always start slowly, follow instructions carefully, and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. When used correctly, vacuum therapy is safe and can even enhance the effectiveness of other treatments. The third method is penile traction therapy, often referred to as extenders. This is the least talked about of the three, yet it holds tremendous potential for long-term sexual health. Penile traction devices are used in urology clinics and by sexual health physiotherapists to improve tissue elasticity and vascular health. They are not simply cosmetic devices. Biologically, gentle and sustained traction stimulates cellular remodeling. It encourages the formation of new blood vessels and increases the elasticity of erectile tissue. Over time, this supports stronger, more resilient erections. Clinical studies suggest that consistent use, typically 1 to 2 hours per day over several months, can significantly improve erection quality. Some men also experience modest increases in length, though the primary goal is functional improvement. Traction therapy requires patience and discipline. It is not a quick fix, but the benefits can be long-lasting. Proper fit and gradual tension are essential. This should be approached as medical therapy, not experimentation. When used responsibly, traction therapy addresses erectile health at a structural level. Now, let's bring everything together. Pelvic floor training strengthens the muscular support system. Vacuum therapy enhances blood flow and oxygenation. Traction therapy improves tissue elasticity and long-term vascular health. When combined, these three methods address erectile function from every angle: muscle strength, circulation, and tissue resilience. This layered approach is far more effective than relying on a single solution. I also want to address something important on an emotional level. Many men feel discouraged after experiencing erectile difficulties. Some avoid intimacy altogether out of fear of disappointment. If this resonates with you, please hear this. Struggling with erections does not make you weak or broken. It makes you human. The male body is capable of change at nearly any age. Blood vessels can become healthier. Muscles can grow stronger. Tissue can adapt. Your erections are not just about sex. They are closely linked to overall health, vitality, and quality of life. When blood flow improves and muscles strengthen, men often notice benefits beyond the bedroom, including better energy, improved mood, and increased confidence. Sexual health is health. So here is my challenge to you. Choose one of these methods and start today. Even 10 pelvic floor contractions before bed is a step in the right direction. Small, consistent actions compound over time. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might benefit. In the comments, let me know which of these 3 approaches you're going to try first. This is Dr. Georgia Bennett reminding you that age is not the end of vitality. With the right habits and informed choices, your best years of confidence, intimacy, and connection may still be ahead of you. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.